Hi, welcome to my Tunisian stitches collection. I'm Sarah. Today I'm showing you the Tunisian twisted simple stitch. The twisted simple stitch is worked from a standard foundation row created on a chain in any number of stitches. Here I have just worked a couple of rows in Tunisian simple stitch. So now I will start working in Tunisian twisted simple stitch so that you can see and appreciate the difference between the two stitches. So if for the Tunisian simple stitch I go with my hook under a vertical bar from right to left like this, in the Tunisian twisted simple stitch I basically do the same, but I insert the hook from left to right under the vertical bar. How is this possible? Well, we have a hook with a small hook, so it's not so difficult after all. So we grab basically the loop with our hook, we go under it, we twist it slightly, we bring it up and then yarn over and drop a loop on the hook. So we go with our hook from left under the vertical bar and twist the stitch a little, bring it up, we yarn over and drop a loop on the hook. And this is how it's done. Again, as you see, it is not so complicated because the hook does all the work, as always, and you can work it relatively quickly like this. So, and we will work the last stitch of the forward pass as usual with a neat closing stitch, because we want the borders to be matching and the same. So in this way we have the same border here and the same border here. And we complete the row with a standard return pass by yarning over and pulling through one loop only first, then yarning over and pulling through two loops together until the end of the row. So, and here you will see the texture of this stitch. It produces these small cute crosses on the front of your work, as opposed to the simple vertical bars of the simple stitch. Okay, this is how you proceed if you want to keep on working in Tunisian twisted simple stitch. Okay, I would like to show you another row worked in this stitch. Here we are. So, it's nice, isn't it? And that's it. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Yesterday I hit 1,000 subscribers in my channel, which makes me really happy. So thank you again, and see you next time with my next video tutorial on Tunisian crochet. Bye bye.